I'm the first person who paraglided on all 7 continents, but there is something in Montenegro which keeps me coming back. Montenegro has the best mountains in Europe. You can just get lost everywhere on the mountain. Medved is one of the most difficult hikes here around.
We are about to hike to the top and fly down.
To hike up on Medved alone, it would be not possible. It's always more fun to hike up with some friends.
Not bad.
Good one. So Medved is very, very difficult place to take off because it's so steep. You need to wait for the perfect conditions.
Ciao.
When you're on the top of the mountain, you have to be always focused and to look at the clouds, to see what's going on and to wait for that magic moment. You could wait hours and eventually it could not happen. That adrenaline you get at that point before the takeoff, it's also a really amazing feeling. To me, it's always special to get that moment to fly over the clouds or in between the clouds. Like a freedom, you know, when you're up there, you're just surrounded by nature and there is no people, no voices, just you and the nature. Acrobatics flying for me is when I can express my creativity in the air. Maybe I don't know to dance on the ground, but in the air, definitely I know how to do it. If I would choose this life again, I would definitely say yes.